Everybody, this is Jack with All Streets Gourmand out here right outside the Santa Anita racetrack, Santa Anita shops. Feels like we're always here. It's the apex of a lot of different events and food, and no different today because we're standing right outside the Lantern Art Expo. I believe they offer about 140 different options for food, if you can believe that. I think that's going to be really interesting to go check out, see some dancers getting ready behind us. We feel like there's going to be a lot of entertainment tonight as well. Came here at this kind of bewitching hour, right, to see the light change from daytime and dusk over to night, and then it's supposed to come alive inside with all of the different lanterns and beautiful lights. So we're really excited to go inside, so let's go check things out. The Los Angeles Lantern Art Expo celebrates the 45th anniversary of U.S.-China relations with a vibrant display of lights, entertainment, food, and Chinese culture. Located solely within the Santa Anita Park, parking and the event is in the southern part of that parking area, and not to be confused with 626, which is usually attached to the Santa Anita racetrack itself. The event runs from October 18th through November 17th, Friday through Sunday, also including the Thursday Halloween. Each day is 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. We highly recommend that you get your tickets online and make sure to check everything because you might be able to secure a discount. All right, one of the first things that we wanted to try, and we did a pretty good thorough walkthrough, was this delicious looking place that does Korean egg toast sandwiches. What you see here is two beautiful thick pieces of toast, and what we ordered was the pork belly with kimchi, and it's got some beautiful egg in there. It's got cheese. They make it to order, so everything that you see here was made as soon as we put the order in. They started on a flat top and started working on that one. It looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. So let's give this one a go. So the first bite is complete bread, but it's good. So it's pretty tasty. Let's see if we can get some meat in there. Oh yeah, well that's good. So first things first, you get a big nice burst of kimchi, and then you also get the pork belly, the egg, really light, probably Kewpie mayonnaise if I were to guess. Really good. It's a breakfast sandwich, so it tastes just like a breakfast sandwich, but you're getting a lot more spice in there than you normally would. So we'd love to have this for breakfast, actually. This is really good, really tasty. We actually saw this on the first pass that we were walking around. What better thing to get than a combination of a drink, fries, and Wagyu soup dumplings than this? You don't even have to move the cup. You just take the take this off without shaking it and falling off the table. And inside there, we've got Wagyu soup dumplings, along with crisp cut fries and ketchup, and then our nice lemon tea in there too. So we're gonna try each piece as we go here. We'll do our best and hopefully I don't knock the table over. Let's start off with the drink. Lemon tea, really good. We love going to these places like 626 as well. Just the combination of the types of drinks that they have and everything is really good. Next step is I'm gonna go for the Wagyu. Nice. Each one has got like an individual piece of hot sauce in there. So it's almost like encapsulating basically a single bite. So that's good. You're getting the Wagyu in there. And as you bite into each one, you're actually getting some of the soup. This truly is a soup dumpling. Encapsulated with a nice little hard bao type shell. And we'll go for a little bit of crisp cut fry here with some ketchup. Crisp cut fries. Can't beat that. Again, encapsulated all inside a single bowl. Along with your drink, you don't even have to move it or get anything off. Easy to carry around too as you're walking about. Very cool. Try this out. This is from Chubby Foods. You can see them behind me there. They also have uni ice cream. Really interesting place to go check out while you're here. The other thing that's nice about here, they're doing a lot of free samples, so just kind of keep an ear out. So there's a freeze-dried candy place over here, and they were giving away freeze-dried Skittles. So we'll go ahead and try that out. Oh, cool. I've never had a freeze-dried Skittle before. Very crunchy. It's completely dried out. It's like a really crunchy flavor, so it's really fun. Maybe we'll go pick some up. With your ticket, if you come through the big dragon gate behind me and head left, you can actually pick up with your ticket a free hot sauce from Good Luck. They've got 2 different flavors in there. One's a mushroom and fresh pepper. The other is a mushroom and soybean. So definitely go pick them up. Nice little gift. Comes with the event. A couple of other things is there's an app that they're touting with a QR code. It didn't seem like we really needed it, but apparently you can order some of your items from there. We noticed there was a combination of both cash and charge. I feel like you can either do both. There was a couple of ATMs on the event lot here if you needed that. As far as restrooms, they're actually on each of the corners of the event. You're not going to get lost. There's actually plenty of them and hand washing stations. One thing I do caution is just make sure you watch where you're walking, please. There's a lot of areas where you're just going to want to watch your steps. The other thing is, it didn't seem like it was very important to come here early, even though we wanted to kind of see the transition from day. We would recommend that you just come apparently at night. There's a lot more people coming in, more activity. They seem to be a little bit more set up by the time dusk rolls around. Of course, there's the lights. Really feel like you're not missing much if you don't come during the day. With that, we're going to walk around and we're going to check out a couple more things. We're going to go find a sweet and maybe a drink on our way out. All right, so we're really bucking a trend here for something sweet. It's a stretch, but it's something that I wanted to try when I was in Japan, and I've been there a few times, and I never did it, which is to get a sweet potato as a dessert or as just kind of a pick-me-up. They are served extremely warm, not hot, but on a fall night like tonight, I almost feel like we should do something like this. So here's the sweets. It smells delicious, by the way. Simple, plain, hot, sweet potato. Really nice presentation as well. So it's good to go. Oh, that's good. So anytime you have a sweet potato, it's just so soft, so sweet, naturally sweetened, right? You don't have to feel guilty at all. And it's very buttery. That's the really thing about these. So yeah, you can do these at home. It's not too hard, but it's really nice to come out and actually, again, try something different. There's a lot of other things that are sweet here. So this is just a really nice counterpoint. You can see behind me a main stage, so there's plenty of entertainment here, which is really cool. So not only on the stage behind me, there's entertainers, there's instrumentalists. Right now a band is setting up. It seemed like they had a little bit of comedy earlier. They've also had a couple of speakers and some like children performances. Really cool. You can always kind of walk past. There's usually something always going on, which is really nice. We actually had a parade walk right by us as we were eating, so that was really cool. One of the things about finding tables or finding places to eat, you'll see behind me that they have a couple of standing tables. There's plenty of those throughout the place. So we had zero issues right next to the stand that we bought something from, finding a table to just go ahead and just enjoy our food. To my left, there's actually a couple of sit tables. Those are a bit more rare, but they are there. So very easy to kind of get around. Piggy lied. I said I was done, but then I saw these sausages. They're selling by the sausage. This was $3.75, so I had to stop. I'm a big proponent of like Isan sausage in the Thai side. So this looks more like a Chinese type of sausage, traditional sausage here. So I had to get one. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah, it is burning hot. Wow, I like it burning hot. Yep, Chinese regular sausage. It's really just good, nice and simple. Signing off here at the Lantern Art Expo, and a couple of closing thoughts. We were actually quite surprised by the amount of vendors with food. We were thinking it actually probably rivals a lot of other festivals that we've been to that were solely based on food. But with 140 food vendors around here, at least by what they said on the website, I think they're all represented here. Really well organized, a lot of different food options. There's a lot of deep cuts here. As you saw, like the sweet potato is an example of that. We have to highly recommend it. It's going to be out here through mid-November, so check the calendar. So this is Jack signing off with All Streets Gourmand. We really appreciate all of you. We've been having a really great time out here. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.